máquina. Gracias. Me sale como ultra. Por más que hagan 6 horas de cola. Debería ser con cola. De 3 y 2, vamos.
Me parecía que había dicho en el medio.
Nos está explicando que hay que estar separados por medio
la
cuadrado.
distancia social, en el cuadrado.
Cada uno, no en su cuadrado.
Cada uno en su cuadrado.
Attention astronaut candidates. You have selected Orange Team More Intense Training. If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning, you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions to the Green Team Less Intense Training Area.
Congratulations, team. You have been selected to train for a mission to Mars. Teams are awaiting your arrival at the landing site here at Valles Marineris. Your mission is to get to that landing site. Welcome aboard, team. After you get settled, check out your buttons. Navigator, welcome aboard. Now remember, during the mission, you will be initiating lunar orbit and descent.
Push up on your restraints, please. Are you ready to go? Have a good flight.
Warning, instrument panel closing. Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shields. Surgeon, how are we doing?
All good for launch.
Commander, just remember your assignments. First stage separation and manual control.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate hypersleep and extend the wings.
Main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission control, the tower is clear. They're all yours. Mission control to Mars X2. You are go. Throttle up. Commander, initiate first stage separation. Now. Computer override initiated. 0G confirmed. You're looking good, team. Pilot, engage second stage rocket. Now. Computer override engaged. Leaving Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000. You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion. Now. Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep. Now. Computer override. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring one. Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem. Beginning evasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site.
Proximity alert.
Pilot, deploy the shield. Now.
Computer override. Shield deployed.
We're ready for deorbit burst.
Navigator, fire rockets for descent. Now. Computer override. Rockets fire 200 miles to planet surface. Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now. Computer override. Wings extended.
We've lost autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control.
control sticks. Pull back! Pull back! Left, pull left. Watch the canyon wall. Now right. Ease it left. They're coming in too hot. Back to center. Just hold it steady. Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200 Watch feet. The barrier. 50 feet. Pull back. Hang on. Down and clear. Alert. Location. Canyon edge. Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, heads back, releasing restraints. Now push the restraints up. Be sure to gather all your belongings and follow the arrows out.